Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English News Broadcast. It's Tuesday, July 2, 10:30 p.m. local time here in Asmara, and following are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations to Somalia. Students' summer work program to start on July 8. Serbia-China free trade agreement comes into effect. And Indian state battling floods and braces for more rain. On your domestic reports, President Isaias Afwerki has sent a message of warm congratulations to President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud and the people of Somalia on the occasion of the celebrations of the Federal Republic Day. In his message, President Isaias reiterated Eritrea's firm readiness to further expand and consolidate the traditionally close and multifaceted ties of cooperation between the two sisterly countries and peoples in the period ahead of mutual benefits, as well as to enhance peace and stability in the Horn of Africa region. President Isaias also wished good health for President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud and success, peace and prosperity for the people of the Federal Republic of Somalia. Mr. Fitwi Welda-Gergis, director of the Student Summer Work Program at the Ministry of Education, announced that the 2024 edition of the program will run from 8 July to 17 August across 5 regions of the country. Mr. Fitwi stated that over 28,600 students, including 33% female participants and more than 1,000 teachers and agricultural experts, will be involved in the program, which will operate from 126 centers in 44 subzones. The program will primarily focus on soil and water conservation, accounting for 95% of the activities. The remaining 5% will include traffic safety services, road renovations, and the construction of water catchment schemes, among other tasks. Additionally, Mr. Fitwi highlighted that the program will involve the planting of 1.3 million tree seedlings, the cultivation of 330,000 trees, and participation in traffic safety initiatives in the cities of Asmara, Keren, and Mendefera. Mr. Fitwi also mentioned that the program in the southern Red Sea region began on 10 June to accommodate the region's unique climate conditions. Hal Technical School marked its 10th graduation ceremony today, awarding certificates to 24 students who completed a 2-year program in computer maintenance. Mr. Ragil Takhle, the school's director, noted that over the past 11 years, the institution has graduated 438 students, including 144 females, across various disciplines such as metalworks, computer maintenance, and internet networking. Mr. Takhle praised the government's provision of modern facilities and textbooks, which enhances the school's ability to equip young people with essential skills and knowledge. He encouraged the graduates to continually enhance their skills through practical experience and to serve the community and government that supported their education. Mr. Tesfai Siyum, Director General of Technical and Vocational Education at the Ministry of Education, highlighted the school's advanced missionary and announced plans to enroll new students in September 2024. He urged the graduates to hone their skills through ongoing practice and study, aiming to set a high standard in their future workplaces. Graduates' representatives expressed their gratitude for their educational opportunities provided and committed to meeting the expectations of both the government and the public. This graduation marks a significant milestone as Hal Technical School continues to contribute skilled professionals to the workforce. On your last local report, residents of the Shahata administrative area in Shambo subzone have launched a popular campaign to plow the lands of families of martyrs. This initiative continues the financial and material support provided by the public and government employees to support the families of martyrs. The residents have expressed their readiness to continue the program until the harvests of the families of martyrs are all collected. Highlighting that supporting the families of martyrs is the responsibility of every citizen, the residents called for the regular continuation of such efforts. The beneficiary families in turn expressed gratitude for the consistent support from the public and government, which has enabled them to lead stable lives. They also commended the residents for their proactive initiative. The viewers will be back with your international reports and more, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. The free trade agreement between Serbia and China, signed in October 2023, officially came into effect on July 1st. The deal, which encompasses over 20,000 products and grants Serbian producers preferential access to the vast Chinese market, is expected to boost exports, enhance investment and production capacities, and increase overall economic activity and competitiveness in Serbia. Minister of Finance Sinisa Mali highlighted the agreement's immediate impact, noting that 60% of the covered goods will be duty-free starting yesterday, with an additional 30% of goods to be included over the next 5 to 10 years. Minister of Trade Tomislav Momirovic described the agreement as the most significant opportunity for Serbian companies in the last 25 years, urging businesses to leverage the advantages offered by the agreement. Momirovic predicts that Serbia's exports to China, currently valued at 1.2 billion euros, will soon double, spurring new investments, job creations, and higher wages in Serbia. On today's final report, the flood-hit Indian state of Assam is on high alert as it braces for more rains in the coming days. The northern eastern state has been swamped by floodwaters for several days, affecting more than 600,000 people and killing at least 34. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said the next few days could be critical, as India's weather department has predicted more rainfall in some districts. The floodwaters left behind a trail of destruction in Assam, as well as parts of neighboring Bangladesh, submerging villages, destroying crops, and wrecking homes. Yesterday, the Assam Disaster Management Authority reported that all the rivers flowing through the state had crossed the danger mark at several places, and that at least 19 of the state's 35 districts had been affected by floods. Thousands of people are sheltering in relief camps across the state. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations to Somalia. Students' summer work program to start on July 8. Serbia-China free trade agreement comes into effect. And Indian state battling floods and braces for more rain. The viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.